Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing two rolled oats recipes with you. One is apple cinnamon oats and the other is almond and chocolate oats. As I realized that rolled oats are better nutrition value for us than quick cooking oats, I decided to switch to rolled oats. Cooking rolled oats is a bit tricky, and today I am going to share my perfect recipe with you. It all starts with 3/4 cup of oat because I am cooking for 3 people. Then I add about 2 cups of water to the oats, give it a mix and let it sit and soak the water for 10 to 15 minutes. This makes sure that the oats will cook nice and smooth once we start heating them. Now I get rid of the excess water and then add 1 cup of milk. You can add milk of your choice. You can use dairy or non-dairy. I give it a mix, and to supplement I add 1 tablespoon of kharik powder or dry dates powder. And then I let it cook on medium heat for about 5 minutes till the oat starts to thicken. I give this mixture a stir in between to make sure that nothing is sticking to the bottom. While the oats are cooking, I prepare the fruit. So in this case, I am using apples. So I peel and chop apples in bite-sized pieces and also get my cinnamon powder ready. Once the oats are cooked, I add chopped walnuts to them and then add a pinch of cinnamon powder. You can add more or less depending on your taste. Then I add the chopped apple to this mix. At the same time, you can also add a tablespoon of honey as per your taste. And then let this sit for about 5 minutes and your apple cinnamon oats are ready to enjoy. On the days when you want to eat the oats but indulge a little bit, you can enjoy the almond and chocolate oats. So I start the same way by soaking my oats and adding 1 cup of milk. And then I add 1 tablespoon of almond butter and give it a mix. As you can see, the almond butter was really thick and I struggled a bit. So I would suggest to get your almond butter out of the fridge at least 10 or 15 minutes before you use it. So when you soak the oats, get the almond butter out. Next, I add 1 tablespoon of good quality cocoa powder, not drinking chocolate because drinking chocolate has added sugar. I give it a good mix and then these oats cook on a medium flame for about 5 minutes. Once the oats are cooked, I add a couple of drops of vanilla extract and I also add some chopped bite-sized pears to complement the dish. and your almond chocolate oats are ready to enjoy. To make it a little bit more indulgent, I add some chocolate chips on top to garnish it, and I guarantee you kids love this oats preparation. So do give it a try this weekend and come back to this channel for more recipes. Thank you. Bye.